everyone, this is Avinash, your IIT Physics subject expert. Welcome to our channel Physics Tunes, where your all physics melodies get tuned properly. So, straight to the point, I want to address three categories of people here. Category 1, the people who are interested in learning physics, and second category of people who are always in confusion of learning physics, and third category of people, the people who are not at all interested in physics, they hate physics. So why I want to address these three categories of people, because the categories are formed because of their point of view and opinion on physics. So I just want to change that. It is not rocket science, it is very, very tasty subject. So you all must try to understand that physics has its own unique style of giving knowledge to you, and you all must learn the way how to learn physics. So physics has its own unique style of teaching you, it has its own unique style of making you understand, and it has its own unique style of showing you the things around you. So you all must have the basic understanding about physics. I have tasted physics in different ways, like at the starting it has no taste. After a few days it will give you a deadly bitter taste because you are not able to focus and you are not able to understand what is happening in the subject. And after that you will have a separate taste, like yeah, it's not bitter, it has some taste. And after a few days you will find a small sweetness when you dive into the subject. And after that you will have a beautiful experience of having the subject in your mind, because the way you look at the subject will be keep on changing from topic to topic. So you try to figure out what kind of topics in physics are making you feeling comfortable and what kind of topics which are making you feel very uncomfortable in learning or analyzing. So you all try to understand why we are reading the topic and what is the need and what is the scope of the topic and why we need to read the topic and what are the applications of the topic. And is there any kind of logics and reasonings from the topic? So these kind of things you should analyze before learning the topic. So then you will have a basic interest in the topic. Physics means it's not about all equations, problems, numericals and different experiments. It's not at all physics. Yeah, physics have all this, but the way you look at physics, we should change really, because it is not that tough subject. It has multiple variations. You have to test it in a real way, because the physics subject has its own unique style of giving knowledge to you all guys. So you all must understand that it's not very tough subject, and there is an individual opinion of everybody that few people will like physics, few people don't like physics. That's okay, but still it depends upon the teacher who are teaching you. It depends upon the situations, what kind of situations are making you study physics, and it depends on the inclination of you towards physics. So there are multiple reasons which impact the subject. So just try to figure out what kind of things are bothering you, so that we can easily figure out that how we can easily make the subject interesting. So you all should find your own style of learning first. So my whole point is, I just want to make a huge difference in learning physics. I just want to make you people understand the physics in a different way, where you get comfortable understanding. In our channel, we'll be discussing about the topics of physics of all kinds of curriculums. ICSE, CBSE, IGCSE, IB, whatnot. We'll be discussing about the topics of physics in all curriculums. We are hitting the digital screen of YouTube from today with our content. Hope you enjoy the taste, and we'll meet you soon. Thank you very much.